पक्ष पावण्यार झेडपी वेंचणूक जातली काय ना हे पक्षाबरोबर बसका घेवन थारायतले. मात मार्च 2020च्या मदीं झेडपी वेंचणुको जातल्यो. म्हयनोभर पयलीं आचारसंहिता लागतली म्हण म्हायती पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पर्वरीच्यान संजय मुनोली.
We are yet to take a call whether Jilla Parishad elections will be held on party lines or not. In fact, I have asked the party to decide, and alongside the government, we will be deciding whether it will be on party lines or not. But more or less, we have decided Jilla Parishad elections have to take place by mid-March. Code of conduct will come a month earlier, and we will conduct the election smoothly. Once it goes in the domain of the state election commissioner, it is for them to conduct the election. We have already indicated our mind to them. No, it would be the same, except for some minor changes which we will be looking at very shortly.